Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to see the new question 112, which is creating the namespace network policy in the namespace production and deny all ingress by default, allow ingress from ports with label app frontend on port 8080 and allow from namespace monitoring on port 9090. So basically they are asking to create the network policy. If you navigate to the Kubernetes documentations on the network policies, you will see the different examples of how they are creating the network policies. And we actually create the YAMLs from getting the documentation help. But in order to tell you in a brief, ingress is the incoming traffic and egress is the outgoing traffic. And they are asking to actually apply the rules on the incoming and outgoing traffic, like which traffic can enter into a particular pod, which traffic can exit from a particular pod. So that kind of rules they're asking to implement on this particular pod. For that, so in the question, if you see, they are mentioning for a pod which is in the production namespace, so we should be having a production namespace at the first hand, and they should be allowing the namespace monitoring, so we should also be having the monitoring namespace. So for that, I have just created using kubectl create namespace production, kubectl create namespace monitoring. In order to test this, I should be having a pod on which we will apply the ingress and egress traffic, right? So for that, I consider one as a backend pod, and I'm applying rules to it, ingress and egress rules as mentioned in the question. So for that, I just create an pod, simple pod, nginx image pod. So using like care and backend image nginx in the production namespace, right? This should be, and let's say it has the labels as backend. And I want to also create a front end pod with a label of app front end, and on this port 8080. So basically, I will run this front end pod, and I don't run this on the production namespace. I This will run on a default namespace, and the image I use is BusyBox 1.28, and yeah. So the front end pod is also created. Now let me do get pods. You'll be seeing the front end pod is running. If you see inside the namespace of the production, you will see backend pod is also running, onto which we have to apply the network policies. Now I will try to, first thing is they are asking to deny all the ingress by default. So there is this example under this documentation of the networking policies. Allow ingress traffic, default deny ingress traffic. So if you see here, right, we have the pod selector. That means for all the pods, policy type ingress means we are applying the ingress policy, and we didn't mention any ingress policy here. That means all the ingress traffic, incoming traffic is defaultly denied on all the pods. So this is like a default deny of the traffic. And if you see the allowing of all the traffic, if you want to allow all incoming connections to all the pods in a namespace, you can create a policy that explicitly allows it. What is the difference between these two? It's just the ingress and a bracket, right? So that is the one like which defines allow all and default deny all of between the ingress and egress traffics. So same goes for the egress traffic. That means default deny, that means outgoing traffic is denied by default is this thing. And uh, and egress traffic, allow all egress traffic is default allow, is just that you have to mention the type of a traffic which you are allowing. And if you have to apply a default deny for all the ingress and egress together, you can just mention like this applies for the all select all the ports, so it is like this. And yeah, these are the some examples which you can go through this documentation, and we will be creating a similar kind of rule here. So as we know that we should be applying a default deny of all the traffic inside the production namespace, I will be taking a same this thing which they have given as an example, right? But only thing which I will change is the namespace, right? So if you see like my network policy dot yaml, I'll just give the name like this. and I'll just paste it here. And only thing which I have to give is a namespace here, right? So name and namespace, which is production. So we have to apply the rules to the production namespace pods. So that's why we are giving this. And if you see here, pod selector and policy type is there, which will be a default deny. But if you mention like ingress and this thing, it will be allow. Okay. And this way I will be creating. So first part of our, I'll just apply this mynet.yaml. So I think you can also do this. See, inside the default namespace we have not created, so it is showing now no. But we have created under production, so it is showing like this. And pod selector none means it denies for all the pods in that production namespace. So first part of the question is completed. And if you go to the next part of the question, which is allow ingress from the pods with label app front end on port 8080. So if you see here again in the starting of our question, they will, starting of the documentation, they will be giving an example here, ingress from, and you can either keep a namespace selector or a pod selector. So they are asking for the pod which is having the label of app front end. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be keeping like this match labels of app front end, right? So similarly, I will be creating such a network policy. You can just copy paste this, and if you see, almost everything is same, like spec pod selector. Under the pod selector match labels, I will be applying this to the backend pods, right? In the question which they're asking is to apply on the backend pod, right? So I have already created a backend pod. So on top of that I'll be creating, and here, um, okay, so here what I'll be giving the ingress from pod selector match label app frontend. So this is also same. So here you have to just mention pod selector match labels and your app onto which pod you are applying the rule. So here we have the policy type, and this will be of ingress policy type, and this is an ingress from, and ingress from a pod selector of match labels of, again you have to keep a pod here, which pod it is, app frontend. So this one only you will be giving here under the pod selector. So it will be like ingress from pod selector match labels app frontend. Match labels of app frontend means that labeled contained pods will be allowed. Okay, and this is also we can create, and which policy type it is, ingress policy. So you can give only policy type as ingress policy, and port, protocol TCP port they are giving as 8080. So 8080 you can give here, that way we can create. Okay, so let's create that. So this is just another way of creation. You can use like a Linux command, cat end of file, and you can give the direct kubectl apply hyphen f off, and dash, and you can paste this, and end of file if you paste, because it is closing with the end of tag, so if it will recognize EOF and it will close and apply it. So that way also you can give. Now, my network policy is created again in the namespace production, and if you again see like this, now we have applied specifically for the backend pod, the incoming traffic. Another thing which I have to still apply is incoming traffic for the same backend pod, but this time for the it should allow the traffic from the namespace of monitoring. So whatever the pods that are present in the namespace monitoring, I should be allowing all the traffic. So here there is an example, namespace selector. Instead of pod selector, you will place a namespace selector. So instead of doing like this two times, you can just add here only pod selector. Under that only you can add namespace selector and match labels, and this one only like monitoring kubectl metadata dot name. Okay, so what is this kubernetes.io dot metadata dot name is monitoring for that pod. So that sorry, that name will be monitoring for that namespace, so that will be added. Okay, so similar way I'll create a networking policy, one more networking policy. And this time if I see, I have created two different network policies. One is allow front end, that means the pods which are having a pod selector as app front end, I'm allowing that. I'm also allowing the traffic from the namespace of monitoring, so that will be allow monitoring. So this way I will add, and then you can verify as what I have done, like at network policy hyphen in production. So this way you can go ahead with network policies on this 112 question. If you want, you can also test. It is just like, you have to ping a backend. You should be able to ping a backend namespace. So that way, okay. So let's take this for testing. So yeah, you were able to ping it or not, so that you can test. Otherwise, yeah, this is the pretty much explanation of how we can solve the question number 112. Coming on, we will see on 113 the egress related network policy. So until then, thank you so much. Bye bye.